Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step how to get started setting up the Bluehost All-in-One AI Assistant, which is only $20 per month and includes access to all of the major LLMs that you would normally use on a daily basis, including ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can sign up. And also, this video is sponsored by Bluehost, so shout out to Bluehost. Thanks for reaching out to sponsor the video. And with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. I look forward to showing you how to set up the Bluehost All-in-One AI Assistant. I've got the website pulled up here. You can get started for just $20 per month, and that includes access to paid versions of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok, so you don't have to pay for each separate subscription. You would normally have to pay $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month for Claude Pro subscription, as well as $30 a month for Grok and about $20 a month for Google AI Pro. With the Bluehost All Access Pack, it's only $20 per month, so you're saving about $70 a month by using the Bluehost AI All Access Pack. It also has a privacy mode built into it with end-to-end encrypted searches, and it includes free-to-use pre-built AI agents as well. To kick off this tutorial, I would like to take you through the homepage and show you more of what the All-in-One AI Assistant can do. So I'm just going to scroll down, and as you can see, it provides the right model for the job every time. You have access to both ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude Sonnet, as well as Grok. ChatGPT really excels at organization, templating, and delivering clear, straightforward answers. You've also got Gemini, the well-read model, which is one of my personal favorites. I use it all the time. This one really excels at distilling complex topics using deep research-backed knowledge. You've also got Claude Sonnet, another really popular LLM built into the All-in-One AI Assistant. This is the QA model. It's ideal for coding, safety, and tasks that require high accuracy and reliability. And then also Grok, powered by X.com. This is the creative model, best for generating human-like creative responses with native access to X, otherwise known as formerly Twitter. All plans bundle ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude Sonnet, and Grok into one single dashboard, and you can choose the plan that fits your privacy needs. I would recommend getting started with the AI All Access Pack. This provides a cost-saving bundle for teams that want leading AI tools, model comparison, and one simple dashboard. And that, again, gives you access to all of the LLM models. You can switch between the models based on the task. You can compare multiple responses before choosing an answer. And you also have access to an account management dashboard for teams and clients. If you wanted to upgrade to the AI All Access Pack Privacy Plus, that also includes end-to-end encryption and encrypted searches, user-specific PIN protection, as well as incognito mode for highly sensitive conversations. The AI subscription bundle also includes your own personal research assistant, so you can browse, analyze, and compile detailed reports with citations for deeper research, as well as a presentation builder to take your ideas and make them structured, downloadable presentations, and an article writer to generate ready-to-publish SEO optimized blogs and articles in minutes. You're just going to want to choose your plan, so it could be either the $20 a month plan or the $25 per month plan. In this case, I'm just going to choose the $20 per month plan, and then from there it will take us over to the checkout. And once this is done, you'll be presented with your dashboard inside Bluehost. Inside the Bluehost dashboard, you have access to AI agents, email, domains, hosting, security, billing, and marketplace. In this case, we're only going to be focusing on the AI agents. And then you can sign into your All-in-One AI Assistant. I'm just going to click the sign in button here, and that's just going to drop me in to my dashboard. It's got a really nice interface to it, and it just says, "Good to see you, Mike." And we have a couple different options here. We can either choose from the AI Research Assistant, the AI Article Writer, or the AI Presentation Builder, or we could just get started with entering a prompt. So as you can see, we have access to ChatGPT 5.5, which is amazing. This is the latest and greatest model from ChatGPT, OpenAI. We've also got Gemini 3.1 Pro in here, which is the latest model of Google Gemini, as well as Claude Opus 4.7 and Opus 4.6 in Sonnet and Grok 4.3. And we have some options for quick responses here too, using 5.4 Mini, GPT 4.1, Gemini 3 Flash, as well as Claude Haiku, which is one of the older Claude models, and Grok 4.1. So yeah, we've got a lot of different options here. In this case, I'm just going to choose the auto route. So if I just enter a simple prompt like hello, it's going to choose the correct model, and it should generate a response really quickly here. You can see it just responds with hello there, welcome, it's great to have you here. I'm your professional assistant, ready to help you with whatever you need, whether it's answering questions, solving problems, explaining complex topics, generating images, creating files, or just having a good conversation. What can I help you with today? And it looks like it used Claude Sonnet 4.6 to generate that response. I'm going to go ahead and give it a thumbs up because that was a good response. And from there, we can also turn on web search. So if you want to turn on web search, you just push this button right here, and now we can search the web. So I'm just going to say, search the latest tech news stories. And I did misspell that, but it's smart enough to figure out what I'm talking about. So now, as you can see, it's searching the web, and it's going to pull in all of the latest top tech news articles. And if I click on one of these, here's an article on tech startups about Google. So you can easily use this for searching the web. All of the news stories by category immediately at your fingertips right here, just by using the web search feature down here. If I wanted to search with Opus, I could also change the model, and it will automatically go ahead and search using that model this time instead. So with Opus 4.7, you can actually see all of the sources here, and then you can easily open up any of these articles. Overall, I'm pretty happy with Bluehost so far. It just gives you a really nice interface, and you don't have to keep switching between different LLMs. You can just do it right from here. So I'm really pretty happy with this so far. And next, I want to generate an image. So I'll use the auto route, and it will say create an image of a robot riding a dinosaur. It's now thinking, and it's generating the image. And there we go. We have a robot riding a dinosaur, which was generating using ChatGPT Images 2.0, which I'm really impressed with. I've been using ChatGPT Images 2.0 a lot more lately. You can see the picture quality is really good. We can open it up and take a look at it in high resolution. If I want to zoom in on this, you can see the resolution is pretty good. We've got a robot riding a dinosaur here. And also, when you download the image, it removes the watermark as well, which is kind of nice. So that's just a simple example showing how to generate an image using the AI assistant. I'm going to go ahead and give that a thumbs up because it was definitely a good response. And then I'm just going to say edit this image to include a waterfall, and it will pull in whichever model is best for generating the images. In this case, ChatGPT Images 2.0. In this case, I actually switched over to Bluehost GPT. It says we detected one or more attachments in your prompt and switched to Bluehost GPT for safer processing. And now what it's doing is it's editing the image to include the waterfall in the background. It was able to edit the image to include a waterfall in the background behind the robot riding a dinosaur, and that only took about 20 seconds using ChatGPT Images 2.0. So it says, I've added a large naturally integrated waterfall to a whimsical high.png placed between the distant mountains behind the robot and dinosaur, with matching lighting, mist, and subtle reflections so it blends with the scene. The robot and dinosaur were left unchanged except for gentle mist highlights from the waterfall. If you like any adjustments, for example, a taller waterfall, a visible river in the midground, stronger mist, or cooler, warmer tones, tell me which change you prefer and I'll update it. I think what we want to work on is something a little bit more complex, so we're going to come down to agents here. And here's where we can choose from the AI Research Assistant, AI Article Writer, or AI Presentation Builder. And in this case, I'm just going to choose the AI Research Assistant, and it's asking me, tell me what would you like to research. And what this is going to do is it's going to generate a comprehensive report with deep web research. I would like to research ChatGPT Images 2.0. Just as an example of something that we've been using in this tutorial. And what that's going to do is it's going to run the web search, and it's going to generate the response. It's doing all of the research. It's spooling up the AI technology assistant. It's going to browse the web to learn more about the task. for the topic I'd like to research, and then it's going to plan the research strategy and the subtasks, just researching these different topics with different long-tail keywords. And it has now provided a full deep research of about 2 to 3 minutes on this specific topic. It has all of the references down here as well, so if I want to pull up any of these references, I can easily click on this and open up the reference. This report provides a comprehensive objective analysis of ChatGPT Images 2.0, focusing on its features, technical advances, use cases, performance in comparison to competitors, pricing, and its broader impact on grader and business workflows. The next AI agent we want to check out is the AI article writer, which I'm quite excited to explore because what this one does is it produces fully SEO optimized AI articles that you can then put up on your blog. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Start Chat, and now we've got the AI article writer agent pulled up, and it's asking, tell us what your article is about and how long you'd like it to be. So in this case, I'm going to say, I'd like to write an article about AI agents, 1,500 words long. So what that's going to do is just going to start the workflow for that topic, and it's going to generate search queries for it. So it's running the query research, what are AI agents? How do AI agents work, types of AI agents and their applications, and now it's pulling in all of the sources. As you can see right here, it's pulling in like IBM, AWS, Amazon. It's got a source from NVIDIA as well, and if I want to open that up, I can just click right here, and we've got the full article on autonomous AI agents. And now it's going to analyze the scraped content to extract keywords, title, and outline, and it's going to create the entire fully SEO optimized article. That took about 30 seconds tops, and now it has created the entire SEO optimized article right here, 1,500 words on AI agents explained, a comprehensive guide to autonomous systems and their impact. Very, very detailed article here. If I want to ask it, is this optimized for SEO? I can go ahead and type that in, and it should be able to generate a response and give me a yes or no answer here. And it says, yes, the article is very well optimized for SEO. You've done an excellent job. And then here's a breakdown of why it's well optimized with long-tail keywords and related terms, clear headings using H1, H2, and H3 tags, in-depth coverage, answer to user queries, and then also source references. Assuming it meets the 1,500 word target, this length is excellent for an in-depth article on a complex topic like AI agents, allowing for comprehensive coverage that search engines often favor for authoritative content. To make it even more robust from an SEO perspective, beyond what I can generate here, it's recommending actual external links. This is definitely important. Internal links, image optimization, meta description, and then also the schema markup. But it says, overall, you've laid a fantastic foundation for a high-ranking article. It's clear, comprehensive, and strategically keyworded. So we'll give that a thumbs up. And last but not least, we're going to be building a presentation using the AI Presentation Builder built into the Bluehost AI All-in-One Assistant. So I'm just going to click on Start Chat once again, and that'll pull up the AI agent. You can see it allows you to create a presentation using your files or the internet, and you can also choose how many slides down here as well. So I'm just going to choose, in this case, let's set 5 slides, and the presentation topic is going to be on AI agents. So now it's going to craft the presentation, and it says it may take a few minutes, but overall this ultimately saves a lot of time going into PowerPoint, using Google Slides or whatever. You could just come over here and create the presentation using AI through Bluehost. It would be pretty cool to see what it comes up with over here. So now it says the presentation is ready to download, and that literally only took about 1.5 minutes. So if I want to go ahead and download this, I could just download the presentation, and we're going to open it up in PowerPoint. Here's the finished presentation that was created using Bluehost AI Assistant. You see here AI agents, and it has pretty nice slides. Obviously these could be improved. It's pretty simplistic, but overall that's quite amazing what it was able to come up with in just under 2 minutes. And now I have a presentation that I could potentially present at a conference. This is pretty impressive. And overall, I'm really impressed by the Bluehost AI Assistant. Thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I really enjoyed going through the Bluehost All-in-One AI Assistant. I already have my plan. This video is also sponsored by Bluehost, so I'm going to leave a link down below where you can sign up to get started for only $20 per month. I'm really impressed by what this can do, and I look forward to testing it out more over the coming weeks. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please go ahead, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand, signing off.